In this video, I will be talking about Bitcoin that currently is creating a symmetrical triangle here on the 4-hourly time frame, and this is going to be resulting in either a significant bullish breakout towards the upside or another continuation towards lower targets. And I will be talking about my exact price targets on today's video, and this and much more will be getting discussed on today's video, so make sure to slap up a like below the video right now, and let's jump right away in towards the targets. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in towards this amazing new update video. Make sure to smash up the like button on this video right now and subscribe to the channel, and more importantly, turn on the bell notifications if you do not want to be missing out on any of these very time related update videos. So let's dive right away in. So right now we can clearly see Bitcoin has been forming a clear downward slope resistance line from the higher side. You can see one rejection, two rejection, third rejection, and right now we are currently still looking for breaking above this region. And I will be definitely say to you guys out there, if we break above this level over here, this is going to be resulting in bullish price action for Bitcoin. Of course, right now as well, we're seeing a very important upper sloping support line getting formed, and we're currently retesting it. And if we do break below it, yeah, there is going to be a little bit of support of this horizontal range over here, but that could be, of course, lead towards a massive breakdown. To be talking about my exact price targets of this symmetrical triangle, it's going to be an absolutely beautiful breakout trade. So if we're going to be breaking down, I'm going to be aiming for targets all the way down towards 16.3k. And if we're going to be seeing a bullish breakout, and let me set this up correctly, we're going to be aiming for targets around to 25,000 US dollars. I will be having several other take profits along the way down and along the way up here, because if we're going to be breaking bullish, I will be right away take some more profits off the table on this region right here, on the 22.5k and on the 22.8k. I will be definitely, most certainly, if we're going to be breaking bullish, take more than 50% out of my trade already, because this is a very high confluence zone where it is also still likely to get a rejection from, right? Also, for the downside, I will be for sure take some profits off the table if we're going to be reaching the 18,000 US dollars. And more importantly, what I think is very important to look at right now is that on the bottom candle we formed right here, we didn't have a very big volume spike. And due to we are not seeing a big volume spike getting formed in the market, we could definitely still argue, is this then necessarily the bottom, right? So I am still seeing some signs of danger in the market right now. I am going to be trading the market up or down. For me, it doesn't really matter where we're going to be breaking towards, because it's going to be trading opportunity either way. If you do want to be trading here on the market, make sure to go towards my video. And of course, in the link in the description, you can be finding a link to Bybit. And if you're going to sign up over there, you'll be right now able to claim 4,450 US dollars plus 0% maker fees if you do use this link in the description. So make sure to check it out if you are interested in trading. And of course, do notice you're only going to get the 4,450 US dollar deposit bonus after initial deposit. So what is also important to look at right now is that on the imminent short term on Bitcoin, on the 15-minute time frame, we currently saw a breakdown. And if we're going to be measuring a price target of this head and shoulders pattern right here, we can clearly see, if we're going to be looking at a price target on the lower side, the price target of this head and shoulders that we currently formed in the market will be trading somewhere around the 19.9k here. This is going to be an important price target to look at, and that could be, of course, potentially the lower side that we're currently going to be aiming for after creating such a significant head and shoulders pattern. On the 4-hourly time frame, still many people are talking about an inverse head and shoulders, but of course I will be just play it as a symmetrical triangle. So if we are breaking above the downward slope resistance line from the top side, yeah, I am going to be looking for long positions. And if we break the downward upper sloping support line, I'm going to be looking for shorting positions, of course. However, if I'm going to zoom out here and purely going to look at the bigger picture of the trend right now, I'm looking at this Wyckoff phase in the market right now. And if we're going to compare this Wyckoff phase, it looks to be right now that we are in the final stage of accumulation, and that we just started with number one, and probably the coming weeks are going to be very boring if we have to believe the Wyckoff accumulation. We're going to look at the Wyckoff accumulation. We're expecting still that we're going to see more lower lows getting formed, and maybe a low on the 15,000 US dollars getting formed before, of course, then inevitably forming that bottom, and then moving up from that point will be absolutely quite amazing. So let's see if we're going to see some scenario like this playing out here. But if we're going to be believing the Wyckoff distribution / accumulation phase, it means that we're right now at the final stage of reaccumulation. So yeah, guys, it could be maybe still taking a couple weeks, maybe another 4 to 5 weeks from here on. But yeah, we are coming closer towards the bottom. I personally do think that in the coming 1 to 3 months, the bottom is getting formed on Bitcoin, and that we finally formed a cycle low in the market. So yeah, it could be maybe still take a while here. Could be maybe a very bored period in the market. But for me, I am buying more Bitcoin in 20k because I personally think it's definitely worth it. Also, if I'm going to look at the daily time frame, I just think there's going to be a massive move getting created, right? So if we're looking at the 4-hourly time frame for Bitcoin, we can already see it. A massive move is about to get created right here. But if you're looking at the daily time frame, you can clearly see this big daily move is about to come, right? Why do I say this? Is because first of all, we are seeing decreasing volume once again getting formed there. And right now, if I'm looking at the RSI, I actually wouldn't be surprised if we're going to get another move down here, form a higher low in the RSI, form a bullish divergence, lower low in the price section, and that is my scenario I'm currently actually hoping to be seeing playing out, right? Why do I expect that? Because basically, if we're looking back at the previous cycles, at the previous bear market, we saw always that the Bitcoin bottom is only getting formed if it is forming a bullish divergence on the daily time frame. So I am not necessarily 1000% sure the bottom is right now in, and that is why I'm also remain to be cautious. I'm still looking to be picking up a very good long position if we're going to fall down. So I'm still going to be waiting and see just where this market is exactly going to go towards. But more importantly, right now, I am not really seeing also the confluence of the volume coming in, right? So volume spiked over here, but not at the bottom. And what you want to be seeing here is that the big volume spikes always happen at the bottom, because that could be indicating a confluence zone and maybe a big level of support that you're trading on, right? So as well over here, you can see this big volume candle got formed on the lowest point on the market. And that was also a very big support range, right? Also over here we saw a volume spike here on the market. It was not so big as the other ones, but it was clearly a volume spike. And the time we went below it, it was clearly, of course, a lower low getting formed. But yeah, it indicates big levels of confluence in the market. So it's pretty unfortunate we have not seen the big volume spike getting formed on the lower candle over here, but it was also over the course of the weekend. So right now we're seeing volume dropping. We're seeing volume dropping. We're seeing price consolidating on the 4-hourly time frame. Price consolidation coming close towards an apex. What do we make of this story right now? I personally think this is going to be a massive breakout that we're about to be having here, and it's going to be a massive target, of course. Like I told you, it is either going to be an approximately 19% move towards the upside, well, with a 10x leverage is already going to be a 190% trade here, or it's going to be another 20% drop off or 90% drop off towards the lower side. What is always also going to be a 190% trade here. So either way, there's going to be some big trading opportunities coming towards us, and that is why I have been telling you guys, if you are interested in trading, make sure to go towards the link in the description, because yeah, you can trade on these exchanges right now and claim an insane deposit bonus after initial deposit. And right now as well on BigGet, if you sign up over there, you will be getting free $20 on sign up. And also guys, after your first initial $50 deposit, you will also get rewarded another free $50, and you can claim all your rewards in the reward hub. So make sure to check that out. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching towards this amazing new update video here on the channel. I hope you guys truly enjoyed it, and if you did enjoy it, smash up that like button, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.